Hello there, I'm Arthi. Welcome to AI Unboxed. It's my little corner where I kind of deep dive into those confusing AI buzzwords and turn them into stories you'll actually remember. So just think of it like we're sitting down for coffee in Starbucks or your favorite coffee shop, and I'm just walking you through this whole AI thing without any technical jargon. Even your mom, your uncle who's like trying to get into AI, please share this video with them. They will definitely, get to know AI better. And the next time you have a conversation with them, they will actually converse a lot better. So it's just you, me, and a little bit of your curiosity, if you will. So it's not like you do not use AI already. Your phone already recognizes you with your face. Go check Google Photos. It has grouped your pictures into you, your family, your friends based on their faces. And your GPS, it finds the best route possible to your home or to your workplace. Your email filters, it filters spam like crazy. Trust me, I'm a marketer and I know. But did you know that behind all of these is AI? It could be a very simple logic where recognizing faces or the autocorrect or predicting the next word when you text somebody, but it's all AI. You've been using it already in your everyday life, so there is nothing new for you to learn. You're already in it. Just look around, recognize it. Your Netflix recommendations, your Google Maps showing you the exact route to avoid traffic. All of this is AI. So let's break it down. What is artificial intelligence? So AI is when we teach computers to do things that usually need human level intelligence. So are we trying to create yet another human, which are like computers? No, definitely not. We train these AI, we want these AI to, as we already spoke about, recognize faces, understand language, or even make decisions. Not decisions as to who should be given life sentence or who should be killed in a war. Not decisions like that, but simple decisions like what should I wear today, or what should I cook today, or give me a script for this specific YouTube video. So just simple generation and simple predictions. That's it, and even more. So think of it like you're giving a computer a how to think cookbook. So it's not your regular cookbook where you have recipes for pasta, but instead a cookbook where you kind of teach the AI recipes of what each picture is and what each the sentences are, and how you can solve a specific problem. So the AI then goes through the cookbook and then learns every intricate patterns in them, and then finally comes up with the next prediction or decision or your YouTube script or your whole high school essay or whatever you want. But why is it called artificial intelligence? So the artificial part means it's not like the human intelligence, just a simulation of certain smart behaviors. So think of it like a flight simulator. I don't know, it could be a video game or one that you can try out in theme parks. So it can mimic the experience of flying a flight, but it's not really a real airplane, let's face it. So how does it work though? It kind of works with three important concepts. So you feed it with a lot of data. Data is the new oil, right? So you feed it with text, images, video, audio, whatever possible, and then you just dump all of it into the AI models. Then the model, based on its infrastructure or based on its architecture of how it learns things, it identifies patterns with the data that you just shared with it. What is similar? What is different? How A is similar to B, how A and B are related. So all of these patterns are identified by this AI model. How it identifies these patterns, that's another video that's coming up. Do check it out. And the third thing is decisions. So based on all of these information that you've just provided with the patterns that it has just identified, it can now make actual predictions or make decisions or generate anything that you want. So to give you an example, let's say you show your friend 1,000 dog pictures and then only one cat picture. They definitely notice the difference, right? So, I mean, if your friend is smart, they'll be able to understand what just a dog picture and just a cat picture. But let's not get in that. So AI works in the exact same sense. So from all of these 1,000 dog pictures, AI is able to understand what is a dog based on its spatial features. So it has a tail, it has a kind of a weird ears, and the eyes are placed blah blah, and then all the intricate features of a dog, if you will. So where do we use AI in our everyday life? Let's face it, I don't know if you call your spouse by their name, but then you definitely would call Alexa or Siri every day. So it's Siri do this, Siri do that, Alexa do this, Alexa do that. And we already spoke about the email spam filters, your YouTube or Netflix recommendations. Speaking of YouTube, please do check out the unrecommended video at the end of this video and let me know which video got recommended for you. And the Google Maps recommending a faster route for you. So all of these are AI and we use it every day even without realizing these are AI. So just think about it and embrace it for a minute. Now, there are certain myths surrounding AI. Let's break them one by one. So myth number 1, AI can think like humans. It follows patterns, as we just spoke about, and not really emotions, or it does not even have an independent thought or free will. So the whole essay that the AI just generates for you is based on next word prediction, so which any AI model can do, and it does not really understand the meaning behind the whole essay. So it's not like it understands, Vietnam War or the World War II or when is the World War III coming up and so on. Just pieces information together based on patterns and then gives it to you. Myth number 2, AI will take over tomorrow. No, AI is just a tool. Humans still set the rules. I mean, at least now, if you know what I mean. Anyways, why does it matter? And why do we have to learn AI? Where is it going? So since the introduction of ChatGPT in 2022, the AI front has seen a tremendous growth. Before then, AI used to be reserved for these, tech-savvy researchers, tech-savvy computer specialists who build AI models and then build out applications using different AI. I know AI existed before ChatGPT. Hello, wake up. So from there to where we are today, recently GPT-5 dropped, and different other models like Claude, Meta's Llama, or growing leaps and bounds with huge potential for applications in various industries like healthcare, education, how it can help your environment. Think of self-driving cars, your smart home, just with a snap or with just your voice, you can switch on lights. Even this whole YouTube video could be AI generated. We're not there yet. Trust me, I've tried. But it's heading there. There are a lot of applications, and it's helping doctors, it's helping architects, it's helping you, it's helping me in our everyday work. So with that, I think you've got a pretty good understanding what AI is. So now I invite you to kind of share your first AI experience. You didn't even realize that this is AI, but then you understood that's AI and your mind just blew. So what is that one AI experience that just blew your mind? Let me know in the comments. And I suggest you to follow this specific playlist. It contains a list of ever-going running videos of AI explained in plain English. And check out this next video where I break down machine learning, the brain behind the AI. So see you next time. Ciao.